Having survival gear is one thing. Knowing how to use it when it really matters, that's a whole different game. Today, we'll break down how to train with your survival gear so you're ready for anything. Fire is life in the wild. Can you start one without a lighter? Test your skills with ferro rods, waterproof matches, and even friction methods. Practice in different conditions: wet wood, wind, even in the dark. The time to learn isn't when you're already lost. A tent is easy. What about an emergency shelter? Practice setting up tarps, lean-tos, and debris shelters in different environments. Speed is key. Can you do it in under 10 minutes before the sun sets? Would you drink from a random river? Only if you know how to purify it. Train with your water filters, purifying tablets, and boiling techniques. Pro tip: try collecting rainwater and see how clean you can make it. Survival means knowing where you are and where you're going. Learn to read a map, use a compass, and practice pacing distances. Try this: pick a random location and navigate back home without using your phone. When disaster strikes, panic is your enemy. Train with your first aid kit. Can you apply a tourniquet in 30 seconds? Can you dress a wound in the dark? Challenge yourself. You might need these skills one day. Your survival gear is only as good as your ability to use it. Train now, so when the moment comes, you're ready. Subscribe for more survival tips, and stay prepared.